Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kama kawaida, we are filming at night. My name is Ivy and I make lifestyle. Sorry. So welcome, feel at home. Today's video is it's a long awaited one. I promised this video months ago. But anyway, better late than never. So this is a one bedroom, obviously, from the title. And this is the door. So we have the door and then we have the window. Then we have the window. Immediately you come through the door, you enter my dining space. You enter my small dining space. I had everything made by a local carpenter. I just took a photo from Pinterest, sent it to him, told him tengeneza hii. He did that. He did a good job. Although the paint on the table has been coming off, so you can see like white patches. So I think I just need to do like a fresh coat of paint so that it looks brand new. It looks brand new. Do I eat from here? But I take my meetings from here because I work from home. So that's the dining set, and then we come to the chair. Honestly, I just wanted a simple basic chair to just sit on. I previously owned a Rattan 3-seater, but then I don't know, I felt like I needed something new, so I commissioned the making of this couch. I wanted simple, basic. That is what the carpenter gave me, simple and basic. I used to have throw pillows, but I sold them. I want to buy new ones. Yeah, I'm always proud to say I bought this throw in Githurai. I don't know why I was left with this pillow. This throw, bought it from Githurai, 300 bob. I'll never forget, and I've loved it ever since. Ever since my first apartment. Someone reminded me about it in the comment section. Akaniambia, oh, I've been watching you from your first bed sitter with the blue doors. It had blue doors, so I see you, you've been here for long. Above us we have my DIY. I made this. People ask me where I bought it. Inakaa kienyeji, guys, because I made it. It has paint on the other side because I stole this. Oh, I didn't steal. What? I found these pieces of wood somewhere. I made it, so it has also, this thing has been with me from my first apartment. I like it. I can never let it go. Like additional shelving, you can put your things here. Nini. Yeah, like these things you can. YouTube has tutorials for everything. Okay, now we come to my coffee table. This was made by Daz Home Furniture. I will link their Instagram below or put up a picture on the screen right about now. They made this table for me. I sent them a picture and they did their magic and did this table. I love the table. It has like storage underneath. Thank you to Daz Home Furniture again for making this table for me. I'll always be thankful. That shot has to be perfect. So on top we have like a small basket with my table decorations on top. I was looking for ways to style this wonderful table. This is where I'm at. This is not the final thing. Still looking for things to put up on Danny or outside. I don't know. Then you have my remote. And from my table we go to my TV console and my TV. This is among the first furniture pieces I ever got. I saw it on the side of the road and I fell in love. I even took a photo and I was like, I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back for you. Obviously it has storage underneath. Initially in my first bed sitter, I didn't have closet space. It didn't. It needed bed sitter kienyeji. Ile itainanga closet space. But it had its own charm. By the way, I'll link the video up above for you to see. It was a lovely place, but it didn't have a wardrobe or cabinet space or anything. So initially I bought this table. Why am I torturing myself? So initially I bought this table to act as storage and functionality as a table, but for now it serves as my TV console. I love it. Bottom top we have my speaker, my LG speaker. This was a gift, by the way. We have my router and then we have my Bible. This is a Christian household. Yeah, and we have my TV, of course. And right above the TV we have this DIY. So we have this. So I just went and bought yarn, Uzi, and just did this simple design. Yeah, I love it because at least there's something in this bare wall. Otherwise, it can go to It will be looking bad. Then the last thing is my mirror. There, that corner. It used to be in my bedroom, but then, hey, I looked at this place, I was like, wow, it's so empty. So let me just bring the mirror here to see if it adds anything. Anyway, that's the living room. So let's go to the kitchen. So welcome to my simple kitchen. Simple. It's small, but enough for me. So we have the fridge. We have the microwave over there. We have our cooker, and I like keeping the pan and one of the pots there on top for character purposes. On our sink, I tried to do something here. I think I failed, but anyway, we have this station over here, and then the sink, and then that one. We have my favorite part of the kitchen, this place where I hang all my mugs and everything, so I love it. We have my top storage. Let's have a sneak peek, shall we? Come to this side. This picker oil is too big to fit anywhere, so that's the only place that it fits, together with my blender. That's their home, the doorbell. And on top of the microwave, we just have like a flour and my jug. And then we have my glass jar shelf. The pride of my kitchen. Chicky cabinet anyway. I wish they were all the same, like kama ni hizi, like they be that, or that one they be that, but they're like a set of different things. But anyway, I like the diversity. Can go to the balcony, it's at night. So yeah, that's the overview of the kitchen. Okay, and now we are in the bedroom. Ta-da-da-da. Nothing special. When I first came into this house, the bed was facing this way. One day I just woke up and I was like, the bed needs to face another direction. It's a whole thing. I filmed the video from start to finish, so I'll just link it. This bed was made in Kasarani. That's where I used to live. I don't have the contacts of the person who made the bed, unfortunately. So I just had this made by my guy. I'll leave his contacts below if you want him to make for you something. So I'm looking, if I ever get a bigger bedroom, I'm going to do another one like this one for the other side. And I wanted it to be dark brown so that it matches the trim of the bed. Hey, you're the trim of the bed. I don't know. Wow, I used to have so many pillows. I sold them. I'm just remaining with 4. Yeah, if you can look closely at my curtains there, my cat has really gone to town with this curtain. Yani ameniharibia curtain. But anyway, it still functions. And there's nothing I can do about the cat, especially when he gets those zoomies. Did something and bought him a bed so that asiwai rukia bed yangu, but he still does. But he's disciplined enough to know this is his bed, and at times analalanga hapa. The other days ako chini ya kitanda. I can't control the cat. My closet, nothing special. The closet is actually small. I'm hoping to get a bigger one if I ever go to another place. But yeah, snake pig. That's how we're going to show. So here on my nightstand we have my water bottle. It has these writings. Oh, you wake up at 7, blah blah blah. So I'm here. I'm waiting for 9 p.m. nimalize. Then I'm done for the day. I recently did like a kamokonji haul, a huge kamokonji haul, and this one was included. So if the video is not yet out, it's coming. I'll talk about this and other products that I got. Then we have this battery lantern. Yeah. Ooh, vibes on vibes. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. And then we have my Bible, my watch, and my phone. And then we have my skincare. I like it close to me so that when I get lazy to go to the bathroom or anything, I just do the skincare, and then I'm done. And then masks. I'm that one person you'll see in the bus with a mask. I still wear my mask religiously. So yeah. And then there is miscellaneous storage. The bedroom is just kind of simple. Could have called the owner of this bed to give us a tour, but honestly, I don't know where he is. That's the bedroom.